In the vast expanse of the African savanna, where the sun casts a golden hue over the landscape, giraffes roam gracefully, embodying the essence of gentle giants. Their long necks stretch high above the grasslands, allowing them to reach the tender leaves of acacia trees that many other herbivores can only dream of accessing. But what truly captivates the imagination is not just their unique physicality, but the intricate web of relationships they maintain with their fellow inhabitants of the savanna. At the heart of these interactions are symbiotic relationships, where different species benefit from one another. One of the most iconic partnerships is that of the giraffe and the oxpecker bird. These small, vibrant birds have made a name for themselves as the diligent groomers of the animal kingdom. Perched atop the giraffe's towering frame, they feast on ticks and other parasites that cling to the giraffe's skin. This relationship is a textbook example of mutualism. The giraffe enjoys a reprieve from pesky bugs, while the oxpecker enjoys a buffet of tasty treats. But the oxpecker isn't the only ally in the savanna. Giraffes often share their space with zebras and wildebeest, who, with their keen senses of hearing and smell, act as early warning systems against predators. Picture a serene afternoon. A group of giraffes grazes peacefully, their heads bobbing as they munch on leaves, while nearby, a herd of zebras grazes on the grass. Suddenly, the zebras become alert, their ears perked up, and they begin to move. In that moment, the giraffes recognize the signals and instinctively heighten their vigilance. This camaraderie showcases the interconnectedness of life in the savanna, where survival often hinges on cooperation. Yet, life in the savanna isn't just about friendships and alliances. Competition for resources is a reality that every herbivore must face. Giraffes, as herbivores, are in constant competition with other plant eaters like elephants and kudu for the same food sources. The lush leaves of acacia trees are coveted by many, and during the dry seasons, when food is scarce, tensions can mount. However, the giraffe's long neck is a remarkable adaptation that gives it a distinct advantage. While elephants can reach the lower branches, the giraffe can stretch to the upper foliage, feasting on leaves that are out of reach for its competitors. This ability not only helps the giraffe survive, but also plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the savanna. The savanna is a bustling hub of life, and giraffes share their habitat with numerous species. Watering holes become communal gathering spots during the dry season, where animals of all kinds converge to quench their thirst. Imagine a scene where giraffes, zebras, antelopes, and even predators like lions come together at a single source of water. It's a remarkable display of coexistence, akin to a mini United Nations meeting, where each species plays its part in the delicate balance of life. Grazing areas also illustrate this harmony. While giraffes stretch their necks to nibble on leaves, other herbivores graze on the grass below, each species utilizing different layers of the ecosystem without infringing on one another. Interactions between giraffes and other animals are generally peaceful. Giraffes are known for their calm demeanor, but they are not defenseless. When faced with threats, such as predators like lions, giraffes can deliver powerful kicks that can deter even the fiercest of attackers. With their fellow herbivores, interactions are often non-confrontational. At a watering hole, for instance, a giraffe may gently nudge a smaller animal aside to access water, asserting its dominance without aggression. Giraffes also engage in a behavior known as necking, where they swing their necks and heads in displays of strength. While this behavior is often associated with mating rituals, it also serves as a way to establish social hierarchy among giraffes. Communication is another fascinating aspect of giraffe life. While they are not particularly vocal animals, they do produce low-frequency sounds that can travel long distances. These rumbles may be a means of communication among giraffes, especially in dense vegetation where visibility is limited. But how do giraffes convey messages to other species? Much of their communication relies on body language. A giraffe standing tall with its head held high signifies alertness, likely warning others of potential danger. Conversely, A relaxed giraffe feeding peacefully signals to other animals that it is safe to approach. The ecological role of giraffes is significant and multifaceted. As browsers, they help shape the landscape of the savanna. By feeding on acacia trees, giraffes not only stimulate new growth, but also aid in seed dispersal, which benefits other species that depend on these plants for sustenance and shelter. Furthermore, giraffes themselves become part of the food web, serving as prey for apex predators. While healthy adult giraffes are rarely targeted, young or weak individuals can fall victim to lions or hyenas, contributing to the cycle of life in the savanna. In conclusion, the world of giraffes is a rich tapestry of relationships, from symbiotic partnerships to competitive encounters. These majestic creatures navigate a complex ecosystem, demonstrating how interconnected life can be in the African wild. The next time you encounter a giraffe, whether in a zoo or the wild, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dynamics at play in their lives. Beyond their striking appearance, giraffes embody the essence of coexistence, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. As wildlife enthusiasts, we can learn from their interactions, embracing the importance of harmony and collaboration in our own lives.